We're a community of 324 residential units, and probably more interesting for this application, it comprises itself of 67 buildings, so quite a sizable community with respect to capital assets and projects. Our goal is to preserve, maintain, and enhance the longevity and value of our capital assets or our buildings. When you're dealing with 324 units and that number of buildings, to do an entire roof replacement is going to be something quite astounding, and in the area of perhaps $1.5 million. And in my history here as a resident, we've gone through it once, so our ability to manage and prolong and extend the life of that roof asset certainly was quite attractive and warranted closer examination and consideration. So that's what brought us in the first place to Roof Maxx as a new innovative application that would accomplish many of those goals in such a way as to not bust the budget. By weighing the budgetary sort of impact of $1.5 million replacement versus the ability to extend useful life of that asset, and as I understand, potentially to reapply this in 6 or 8 years and again add an increment to that life is very important, very attractive. So that something that potentially was several thousands of dollars per roof becomes more in the dimension of $1,000 per unit. Those key goals of longevity and value maintenance of the assets, and at the same time do it in an affordable way so that residents wouldn't be impinged budgetarily as a result.